Morning, everyone. So I am going live and I am in Ashland, Oregon today, finishing up the weekend here. It's been so hot. It's been 115 this weekend. Crazy weather. And so I wrote my title, Monday Meditation, but I got nothing. I only have the sound of my breath. And sometimes that's just how it is. But I did notice how the weather really and the heat really affected my thoughts. So it's so curious, this environment and how we're affected by it. But I want to just take a few breaths with you, invite you to journal in daily if you can, and to remind yourself of gratitude and your accomplishments just as your baseline. So let's get settled and take a few deep breaths together and just really listening to the sound of your breath, because sometimes that's all we have to anchor ourselves. Can you come into your own stillness? And if you can't, is there a part of your body that's holding energy that's not yours or that's old, like the ways you always feel on a Monday morning? Can you move that energy with your breath? Can you find that peaceful feeling in your body, even if it's just in the tips of your toes? Let's just wiggle them if it is there. And can you reflect on some of the things that you're grateful for this morning? And can you reflect on yesterday and some of the ways that you liked that you showed up yesterday for yourself or maybe for people that you're close to? And how about today? Can you set some kind of intention for today, like how you want to feel or something that you want to focus on? And let's end with 3 breaths. Just again, hearing the sound of your breath, seeing if you can change the pace of it. Maybe inhaling and holding your breath at the very top. And a nice slow exhale. Maybe filling up your belly with this next breath. And maybe a really releasing inhale and exhale. And open your eyes if you haven't yet. Meeting the week, meeting the day. So glad that you're here with me. Add your comments if you came up with anything, if you've been affected in any way by your environment this week, or if you're thinking about points of gratitude for yourself today. Okay, take care and see you next Monday.